Collins, the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. Alright, so I got one, a month ago about? Time flies. This is, the brand is EDO, then it says EDO Pack. I don't know all the info about this company, but they make all sorts of stuff. Snacks, candies, chips. But this is Kumamoto flavor noodles, which means tonkatsu. It's for the Hong Kong market. It's made in Singapore, and I got it up in Canada. Alright? So let's get it on. So here's the water, because this one I had to cut the thing off. Yeah, I'm not chancing it. I don't want a big old mess. So here, the block, the seasoning. And then it says 2 minutes. Whoa. And 2 minutes on the clock. And we'll give it a little flip and a stir. Yes. Let's let you look and enjoy the video of this. This is riveting. There's a flip. Wow, that looks and smells nothing like tonkatsu. I'm confused. Yeah, I don't know if EDO is a Singaporean company or just a Hong Kong company that private labels, but I don't know. It was a foam cup, and I'm trying to think. I know Coca used to do foam cups, so I don't know. Might be them. I tend to doubt it though. But that pack, the seasoning sachet did seem kind of Coca-esque. So we shall see. Blurp, blurp, blurp. So for me, it's Friday, and yesterday we had the day of no television. Got a new TV on Wednesday, and went to put it up, and the bracket broke. So basically, we still had our old TV, but we couldn't put it up either. So we had a day yesterday of no TV, and actually it was all right. The kids lived. And then this morning around 10, this Hawaiian dude shows up. He's really cool. We used a company called Hello Tech, or Hello Tech. www.hellotech.com. I'll give him a plug because the guy was way cool. I ended up giving him like a big old bag of noodles, and he gave me, check it out, stuff for the chocolate break. Some actual Hawaiian macadamia chocolate thing, you know. So that's, I mean, of course, getting somebody to mount a TV for you from a service is ridiculously expensive, so. But that guy didn't have to do that, so. Thanks, dude. I appreciate it. And we will review that soon. On the big shoe. Which I don't really say. I don't call the show the big shoe. Just because of the fact that that's just really cheesy. Alright, 2-minute noodles from Singapore to Hong Kong to Canada. Yeah. I would have expected tonkatsu, honestly, but it's not tonkatsu. It's alright. I mean, it's not amazing. It lacks amazing. If it were amazing, I would tell you, dude, this is amazing. But I'm not telling you that, so you know. Now you know that it's just not amazing. I got like 3 different varieties of these cups. I got them at a place called Smart and Save up at a mall in Richmond, DC called Lansdowne Center. And if you ever go up there, go check that little store out. It's just called Smart and Save. And they've got like some of the best selection. Oh, garnish? Gonna go minimalist today. One little fish cake. Alright. Get it so you can groove. There you go. Pretty well lined up. I think we're good to go. Let's have some tunes. And rotation. Anyways, yeah, there you are. Have a good one. Bye.